Welcome to Suerte del Molino, a permaculture project in Huelva province of Andalusia. Today I want to talk to you about Moringa. Moringa oleifera. I bought this packet of seeds in April this year. 325 seeds in each packet. I bought 2 packets. One I did put into the soil, and about 80% of them germinated. So let's follow the journey of these plants. Soon after germination, I had them into small pots, and I placed them under the tree, outside of the greenhouse. But then we had an unexpected 40 degrees spell of heat in June, and I had to do something with them very quickly because they were dying in the pots. I planted them in whichever place I could find some soil that was available. This is a swale. And I just put them next to each other as quickly as possible so that they can be in soil and not in pots. Here you can see I just planted them very close to each other, about 15-20 centimeters in the garden with the beetroot, so that they can just be in the soil and have a chance to survive because of the heat. These are the flowers of the Moringa oleifera. And these are the pods, the bean-like structures that grow and where the seeds are contained. Therefore, they are nitrogen fixers. These plants with pots like this, they usually have a root system that caters for all sorts of organisms to live in symbiosis with them, and those organisms can put the nitrogen into the soil. These are the Moringa pods. Here I have a peach tree, and then some butternut squash, pumpkins, and then some moringas next to it, the nitrogen fixers. And this is a cherry tree. So I try to get as many as possible nitrogen fixers in the soil. I also have sweet potatoes and onions and some mulch from the oak trees. And this is what we have been doing to get the garden established. This is an avocado. Next to it, the moringa. This moringa is more than 2 meters tall, and I planted it in May this year. It is now end of September. This is a lemon tree, and then some moringas, and then that was the last of the watermelon. And here we have the swale filled with horse manure, and then on the berm we planted our new fruit trees. Also some melons on this melon you can see these grasshoppers. They have destroyed half of our crop. But soon we'll get some chickens and that will be the end of them as well. And here we have the master rat control agent, Franny. So some places they tell that the best is to have trios, to have one fruit tree and then one nitrogen fixer and then the fruit tree. So we have many nitrogen fixers and we hope to improve our soil quite rapidly. This is our quince tree. We have several of them. Quite a harvest ahead of us, usually in end of November. We take them and we prepare a lot of jams. Here we have pomegranates. We really hope that the Moringa can enrich the soil so that we can have many of these trees to produce a lot of fruit. Some more fruit, quince. We'll have to support these trees. And we say goodbye and see you in our next video.